Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely lovely Triumph Street Twin. Here we have a Triumph Street Twin. This is a 2017 bike on a 17 plate with just 14,734 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike's in great condition and is in the silver and black colour scheme with the red flash. You may have spotted there, you get the pannier rails. The seat is the standard item. Nice low seat height on these bikes. This panel there, it's in superb condition, as is the exhaust, as you can see. The chain unusually is on the right hand side, this being a Bonneville variant. The wheel, there's no dings, dents, scuffs or scratches on there, and the rear tyre has plenty of life left in it. The rear mudguard's in good condition as well, as are the rear shocks, as you can see there. All the subframe and frame is all good as well, and the engine there finished in black, which is good because it does wear a bit better than the bare aluminium. No corrosion on the exhaust there, as you can see, and the frame. The petrol tank's in great condition as well, save for a very small chip just there. Locking fuel cap on this one as well. The bar ends and the mirrors and levers are all in great condition with no damage. Same for the indicators. Gaiters are all good, no splits, and the front forks are in great condition as well. And the front wheel, no dings, dents, scrapes or scratches there either. And the front tyre, loads of life left in that. Front mudguard, that's in good condition as well, and you have the benefit of the small fly screen. It's a genuine Triumph one. The left hand side of the bike, that's as clean and tidy as the right. Good condition on the bar end, lever and the mirror. Likewise on the indicator there, and the gaiter on this side. Again, no splits, and the wheels in good condition on this side as well. Anti-lock brakes on this bike as well. It just looks like an old bike. You get some of the features of a modern bike as well, like anti-lock brakes. Twin cylinder 900cc of course. Super low ride height on this, very good if you are short in the leg. Really fantastic first bike as well if you like the look of a modern classic, or as Triumph call these, a modern classic range, but you worried the T100 might be a bit tall. The Street Twin is a lot lower. This exhaust there, that's in great condition as well, and that rear shock, as you can see, also in great condition as well. There is a Scott oiler as well, a chain oiler, and an Optimate battery lead, and there's that rail for the other pannier. We don't have the panniers, but the rails there, should you want to buy the Triumph ones, are fitted. There's the top of the petrol tank, digital display there as well. You also get the Triumph heated grips, which is that very discreet little button on the left hand grip there. It's a nice little touch. So as I said, if you like the look of a modern classic, you like the Bonneville range, and you want something that's a bit smaller, nice and easy to manage, a great first big bike, then look no further than the Triumph Street Twin. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Triumph, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.